I believe in the phrase, life is a gift. That's why they call it the present. To me, this quote means that you should enjoy what's going on that day instead of worrying about what happened in the past or what will happen in the future. If you're too involved in your past, whether questioning it or wishing you could relive that moment in time, then you miss out on all the lessons and fun experiences that are happening right in front of you. Those little blessings have the potential to make you laugh, have a journey you'll never forget, and create memories you will cherish for a lifetime. You shouldn't be afraid to live your life in the moment because you never know when your time on this earth is up. Life's too fragile to always be worried about what's coming next or obsess over what's happened before. When I was in middle school, I was that girl who always worried a bit too much about what was coming up in her future. I didn't pay much attention to what great journeys I was missing out on. I spent a great deal of my middle school years worrying about what was on the way the next day, the next week, and the next year. I thought frequently about the past and what I could have done better. I dwelled on the good times I had in elementary school and how simple it all was. It wasn't until my sophomore year of high school when it hit me. I needed to live my life for that day and not for tomorrow or yesterday. After much deep thought, I realized that I needed to relinquish what happened in the past. The past is gone and I can't do anything to change it, so why worry about it? I also figured out that I needed to let the future come as it may. All I could do was give everything I do my all and hope for the best. I was finally able to embrace each day like it were my last. Doing some deep thinking changed my life in a small but significant way. I became happier and my life was less boring because I was living for the day. I was spending way too much time worrying. All that time could have been spent learning something new or doing something I loved. I learned to embrace the day and let the past be the past. Do live for the present, but don't do it to the extent where if, say, you have a midterm coming up, you go off studying for it. You can't just throw caution to the wind and say to heck with everything that's coming to you. You have to find that balance between living for the present while making sure you do so in a responsible manner. Don't blow off responsibilities or commitments you have in the future. Prepare for them, but don't obsess over them. Finding this balance can be tough at first, but it can be done and you see how much happier you are. Happiness is good for all, and it can spread like wildfire. Worrying and stressing too much can cause unwanted breakdowns, sadness, and frustration. It's worth it to treat life like it's a gift because you never know when your last day to live will be. Think about it. Do you really want to live the world regretting what you did not do, or savoring all the things that you did?